Welcome to Charlotte Technical College, where passion meets knowledge. Today, we invite you to a day in the life of an aviation airframe mechanics student. They're on a journey towards mastering the intricate art and science of aviation. Each step they take is one closer to their dream. Our classrooms are platforms for innovation, where we prepare students for the FAA license examinations, a passport to the exciting world of aviation. Our students are not just learners, they're collaborators. They brainstorm, problem solve, and delve deep into the dynamics of aviation. But the real magic happens in our state-of-the-art lab, the nucleus of practical learning. In the lab, our students transform theory into practice, working on actual aircraft parts, honing their technical skills. With the guidance of experienced instructors, they gain insights into the nuances of aircraft maintenance. We foster a collaborative environment because in the world of aviation, problem solving is a team effort. As they wrap up their day, they leave with more than knowledge. They carry a sense of accomplishment, a boosted confidence, and a rekindled passion. At Charlotte Technical College, every day ends with new lessons learned, new skills acquired, and a step closer to their dreams. This is just a glimpse. The real journey, the flight towards a future in aviation, is much more exciting.